I've always done personal injury. The main reason why I wanted to do litigation when I graduated from law school, I wanted to know how to do trials. I have a competitive streak, so I think that's a big part of it. The idea of going out there, presenting a case to a jury, I really like that. Not everybody's capable of doing that. When I was in law school, I did work with a solo practitioner, and they had some personal injury cases, so that was really my first real exposure. And I just kind of like the fact that being a plaintiff's lawyer, you're fighting on the side of the little guy, usually against these big insurance companies that have tons of resources. And your client, most times it's the first time that they've ever had to deal with the legal system in that way. So it's kind of nice when you get a victory for them. You kind of did the right thing. Sometimes it could be the worst injury that they ever had in their life. So you're walking them through not only just kind of dealing with the day-to-day struggles that they have as a result of their injury, but also the legal side of it, things that are overwhelming, are confusing for a lot of people. It's nice to kind of be there and be that person that can kind of guide them through it. I feel like I've always considered myself a bit of an underdog, so it's nice finally be in a position where you can finally do something about it. And I feel like when it comes to this field, especially where you have, like I said, these big powered insurance companies, they try to steamroll little people. So it's nice to be able to fight for the little guy. When you win, you make a point. Most recently, just finished a trial and involved an individual. They were walking a crosswalk. They were hit by an SUV. They suffered serious injuries and ultimately ended up having surgery. And we were able to resolve that case in their favor during trial. And like I said, the client was super thankful, and he was like, I can finally put this thing behind me. It's been bothering me for all these years, but now I can finally move on.